Welcome to Folklore Files. Today, we're journeying into the dark heart of American folklore, the Pine Barrens of New Jersey. This vast, desolate stretch of wilderness is home to one of the country's most enduring and terrifying mysteries, the Jersey Devil. This creature, said to be part horse, part dragon, and part demon, has haunted the region for nearly 3 centuries, leaving a trail of fear and unanswered questions in its wake. What is this monster, and where did it come from? Join us as we explore the chilling legend of the Jersey Devil. The legend begins way back in 1735 with a woman known only as Mother Leeds, a weary resident of the Barrens. Already having 12 children, she was exhausted by her 13th pregnancy and the struggle of raising such a large family. In a moment of utter frustration and despair, she famously cursed the coming child, shouting to the heavens, "Let it be the devil." Well, her wish was granted in the most horrifying way imaginable. When the child was born, it appeared normal at first, just for a few moments. Then it began to change. The baby underwent a horrifying transformation right before the family's eyes. It grew a monstrous horse-like head, long sharp talons sprouted from its hands, and leathery bat wings unfurled from its back. Its legs twisted into hooves. With a terrible shriek that echoed through the small cabin, it attacked and killed the midwife, then flew up the chimney, vanishing into the darkness of the pines, never to be seen as a human child again. Over the centuries, countless eyewitnesses have added to the creature's description, and what they report is a truly bizarre and frightening amalgamation. The Jersey Devil is consistently described as having the head of a horse or a goat. Its forearms are small, almost useless, but tipped with razor-sharp claws. The most prominent feature is its large, powerful back wings, which are said to span up to 12 feet wide, allowing it to soar silently over the treetops. Its feet are not feet at all, but cloven hooves like a deer or a goat. Its tail is long and serpentine, and perhaps most terrifying of all, its eyes are often said to glow with an unnatural, eerie red light in the dark. Its cry is just as unsettling a sound, resembling the screech of a woman, mixed with the high-pitched whinny of a horse. While sightings were sporadic for decades, the Jersey Devil caused its greatest panic during a single terrifying week in January of 1909. The creature seemed to be everywhere at once. Over that week, thousands of people across South Jersey, from the city of Trenton all the way to Camden, reported seeing the beast. This wasn't just a few isolated reports. It was mass hysteria. Police officers in multiple towns fired their service revolvers at it, but their bullets had no effect. Fishermen and trappers discovered strange, unidentifiable tracks in the snow along riverbanks. The fear became so intense that schools and factories were forced to close because employees were too terrified to leave their homes and go to work. The panic was so real that even the Philadelphia Zoo offered a massive $10,000 reward for its capture, dead or alive. This widespread, simultaneous wave of terror cemented the creature's place in modern American history. So, what really happened? Skeptics have plenty of theories. Some suggest the sightings were simply misidentified birds, perhaps a large and unfamiliar sandhill crane, which has a similar cry and profile in flight. Others believe it was all a series of elaborate hoaxes, fueled by sensational journalism eager to sell newspapers. However, the sheer intensity of the fear and the consistent description of the creature across so many different decades and locations remains unsettling. Today, the Jersey Devil has become New Jersey's unofficial mascot, a quirky local legend. But for those who venture into the vast, silent wilderness of the Pine Barrens, it serves as a constant, creepy reminder that something unexplained, something ancient, might still be lurking just beneath the canopy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Folklore Files for more deep dives into the shadows.